great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our wherein Pampanga community. That is you!
Yeah!
Ayan, so isa sa mga naunang restaurant na napuntahan po namin dito after quarantine lockdown is itong TresPares. So, a little bit of background, sir.
So, TresPares started in Tabul, Pandan. Then, nagkaroon sila na another 2 branches, which is yung sa may Holy Angel University sa may side gate, and itong sa Balibago.
Yeah, so, and to mind you guys, no, it all started with this beef Pares, which later on we're gonna be taste testing. Actually, kagandahan dito, no? So, itong third branch na, which is in Balibago City, ito pala yung naka-open as of now.
Yes.
They still follow yung strict protocol natin for safety, no?
I-check nila yung temperature mo.
Correct.
I-spray ka ng alcohol. At the same time, tatanungin ka rin ng pangalan for contact tracing.
And guys, just to let you know, yung mga information and yung mga activities na ginagawa po nilang yun are strictly required for a restaurant to open dine-in.
At the same time, you will observe din yung social distancing.
So as soon as you choose your seat, meron pong mga QR codes yung mga table natin dito. So you scan a QR code and then lilitaw na dun yung
menu niya.
So wala ka talagang hahawakan ng menu, no? At the same time, pwede rin naman yung
physical menu.
Physical menu is also available. Okay, speaking of menu, super grabe, ang dami natin pagkain.
Yes.
Let us introduce to you our meals for today, one by one. Starting off from my left, this is their signature pizza. Check that out, guys. This is so huge and super cheesy. Meron din silang mga parang
Rolls.
mga rolls or rolyo na pizza. This is their Korean rolyo. Ito naman yung kanilang all cheese rolyo. Siyempre, available dito yung mga herbs and spices natin, mga aglio olio, ganyan. And then, in front of me, guys, this is their Jack's ribs.
Wow.
This is their back ribs available here. Natutuwa ako sa mga pasta nila, guys. They incorporated Filipino or Kapampangan flavor. So, kung una natin yung pinapa al pesto. Yan. And then, meron din tayong sisig pene.
Wow, sisig pene.
Kapampangan tunay natin. Meron tayo dito beef pares, which, TresPares became popular and well-known.
And their signature kung saan sila nagsimula.
Yeah.
So on my side naman, so dito naman yung mga chickens natin. So meron tayo inasal. Yan.
Ooh.
Then meron naman tayong mga wings. So meron tayong 3 flavor of wings. So meron tayong original buffalo wings, honey sriracha, and hickory barbecue. Meron din tayong mga other parts. So meron din tayong 3 flavor, orange chicken, General Cho, and Jack's. Yung Jack's nila.
Infused with Jack Daniels.
Yes.
So isa sa mga bestsellers sa Holy Angel branch nila is this inasal.
Yes.
They want to cater, quality and delicious food. At the same time, abot kaya.
Budget meal.
Kahit yung student tayo dyan, maabot talaga niya yung presyo. Let's, dig in, let's taste test yung mga food na pin-repair nila para sa atin. I think I want to start with this one. So, dito tayo sa beef pares. So, since this got them into business, diba? I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. So ako naman, syempre, dun ako sa mga wings. Ito yung malapit sa akin. So I'll try the Jack's.
Kumbaga, a little bit of trivia. Kapag pinag-usapan natin yung pares, usually
Mga nakikita natin sa daan.
yeah, roadside restaurant,
Yes.
breakfast meal, pinakuluan na
Brisket.
exactly. Yun yung mga pagkain na gusto kong talagang makilala. Because these are, Filipino brands. These are Filipino food talaga na dapat natin makilala. Anyway, so let me taste this pares. Wow!
Tinikman ko kanina yung nila, yung Jack's nila. Ang sarap, promise.
Wow. Wow. So, I've tasted some beef pares in my other reviews, no? Napansin ko dito, guys, is yung sauce ng pares nila is so thick. At the same time, hindi masyadong overpower yung
Star
anise. I like it.
Compliments, kumbaga.
Yeah. Oh, I like it. This is so huge, siguro ilang ano to, 16 inches in diameter, and this is, kumbaga kung kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung o-orderin dito sa TresPares, you're just new. Tsaka their signature dishes. So, for sure, isa po sa mga pinagmamalaki nila to and man yung mga
Food nila.
signature food nila. Yeah.
So imagine from beef pares into full dine-in.
Yeah.
So makikita mo na dito sa TresPares.
I want to actually commend them. So starting from a really simple staple food, coming up with several other dishes like pizza, pasta, and the next na titikman ko is ito. Small portion, syempre, save some space for the other meals.
Wow. Yung signature pizza nila, so cheesy. Masarap lalo na habang mainit.
So aside from dining, they are also available for takeouts and delivery. No? So check out their fan page kung ano po yung mga
Delivery partners
delivery
nila.
partners nila. If you want their food, enjoy the comfort of your own. Pa-deliver na lang tayo.
Yes.
I think that's safer.
But also, kung gusto nyo rin ng ma-experience yung resto itself, you could also dine it here.
Okay, so while we are, discussing their operational hours, ano yung operational hours
So,
natin?
they were open from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. Then meron silang, kumbaga kung gusto mo humabol, until 6:30.
Last call, kumbaga. Yeah. So, susunod na titigman na naman guys, isiman nyo ng Kapampangan's best, itong sisig pin. I'm always happy na na-incorporate natin yung mga traditional flavor natin or yung local flavor natin. Like for example, this is a Italian food, right?
Yes.
And then, binigyan natin siya ng Kapampangan flavor, which is a sisig. So, I'm always advocate for that. No?
So I'll try ulit yung hickory na lang.
Actually, favorite sa mga chicken flavors is hickory. Bigyan pa kitong pizza. How about this cheesy? So the way you eat this actually is, you put in our mga leaves natin, mga herbs, and then you roll it.
Let's put alpha
Aglio olio.
then raw. Bigyan.
If you've been following me, lagi ko sinasabi, not really an Italian food guy, pero yung nasabi ko sa inyo, kapag na-incorporate yung sariling flavor natin, like ito at tinapa, mas na-excite akong titikman nyo. Wow! You got tight, man. It's so cheesy. Napaka-cheesy niya. And herbs and spices, it is really strong. It's flavorful. So I think lastly, I'm gonna try for their honey sriracha. Sabi nga namin in the start of this vlog, we would like to introduce and announce na si TresPares is actually open for dine-in. They want to assure us na if you dine in here or you do your order here, they follow strict protocols for our safety. At the same time, hindi lang po pares ang
In-offer
nila dito. So they have an array of dishes which we can choose from. Actually, an option para sa natin. Lastly guys, before we bid you farewell, titikman ko muna itong honey sriracha nila. So actually, isa sa mga trending na pagkain ngayon, mga deliveries are wings. So make sure if you're looking for an option, an alternative, check out TresPares guys. If you like this video or the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends.
Any reactions or any comments, recommendations coming from you guys are highly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga.
Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace out.